Hello guys, welcome back with another video. So today I wake up in the morning and right now I'm preparing my breakfast. As you can see, we are liver, so we eat in the morning as a rice and sabji, and also I am filling water in the morning time only because in the evening time we don't have time to filling water. So in our auntie, after finishing my breakfast, I'm going to in a ride in the morning ride, as you can see, the morning ride for in Chalupara, so I can meet with my friend. So they are staying there and calling me, you have to come here. So right now I'm going to meeting with my friend here. As you can see, every time in Shillong road you face the traffic because your road is good, but not too far and not four lines, so that's why you are always in as a traffic jam. If you come here you will face that traffic jam. So guys, you enjoy the ride and with the music. Okay, thank you for watching. So guys, today here is one person, is Hakla. I don't know what it's called in English as a Hakla. It's a dumb or deaf. Here is a Amir Hussain, Dat Banga Khichuri. Hey, look at here. Hey, smile. Smile.
I don't smile you because
If you like my blog, so please comment, like, share and subscribe. So thank you for watching.